In this video, we will discuss about string functions. In the last class, we have discussed about character data types. Now, the functions which can be applied to the string we will see now. So, among which first in this video, we will see lower, upper, lower, init cap and reverse. These are the four functions we look into. Upper function, what it will do is, if the given string is in lower characters, one is lower, one is upper, whatever the input format it is, it will convert it into uppercase letters. Say you have given Ravinder in all lower cases, it will convert it into all upper cases, Ravinder as a uppercase. And similarly, opposite to the upper, lower will work. Let us see some examples instead of discussing here. First, we will write a anonymous block, declare begin, and I am taking one variable called L_name varchar2 of 20. So I am giving the varchar2 as Ravinder Reddy PLSQL. So now I would like to print here this number dbms underscore output dot put underscore line with this L_name. What it will do, it will print as is, right? It will print as is dbms output, right? So it should print as is whatever the input you declare. So now it will work properly. Let us check. So remove this L_name. Okay. So string buffer is too low. So I'm giving 30 characters here. So again it is too small. What it is saying 100. So the output is not printed because the set server output is not set server output. Now it will print. Here the 30 characters also work actually because the given length is less than 30 only, 100% sure. So I would like to print it now. So Ravinder Reddy PLSQL it is. See, first letter is capital R and Reddy in Reddy R is capital R and PLSQL is in capital letters. So here some of the letters in lower, right? Some of the letters in lower, right? So now when you apply upper here, what would happen? All letters whichever there in small alphabets, that will be converted into capital. See here, the input given is this one and the output is given in this one. So all characters are going to be converted into upper characters. Now similarly, when you write dbms, same, if you want to have the lower characters, so lower, only capital R and PLSQL, these characters will be converted into lower values. Let us clear the output, run it. What it is saying, lower, okay, lower function you have written here wrong. Just try to lower. Okay, now it will work properly. Clear the output and run it. Now see here, all uppercase letters have been converted into lowercase, that is the upper and lower. So what is the purpose of this one? See, Now if you ask me, I can't tell you the example because you don't know the if statements, right? But try to I would like to tell you example, because the input is given here is not in a correct fashion, because it is not having the total upper, it is not having total. Unless I don't know the coming in string, I can't compare it. See here, I would like to write one if condition. If you don't know this, please don't worry about it, just understand the concept here. When we will be using upper and lower, this is very important, and in real time we'll use most of the cases whenever required. If you want to compare two strings, see, if I want to compare this one with this one, both are having the same string, right? Both are having same string, but they will not be equal. Why? Because character by character it will check. A capital R is equal to capital R, but what about small a is equal to capital A? No, their ASCII code is different, so they will never be equal. So let us see, condition is true, I'm printing here. Is true, I'm printing here. So let us see whether it will work or not. It won't work. Even the name is same, it is not printing. Else not true. I would like to write else not true. I would like to write here else. If you don't understand the if else concept, please don't worry about it. In the coming session, we'll have a good session on the conditional statements. But now for demonstrating this one, I am using if condition. And here both are having the same name, right? Ravindra Reddy PLSQL, here also Ravindra, but the name, the characters are not same. Means some of them are in lower, some of them are in upper. So now it will return what? False. Let us check. Here it is returning what? False. So that is going into, means these two are not equal, it is saying these two are not equal. Now to compare the strings, what I will do is I will use upper. Let us see. I don't know the incoming characters how it is coming, but format is same, means they are having spaces, here also spaces like that. Upper. Upper. Now see here, upper of this character, this particular string, what it will do? Automatically all characters will be converted into caps. Here also upper of upper characters only. So all characters will be converted into upper characters only. So now the comparison is going to be correct, and let us see. It is going to return true. If you want to use lower also, it will work. If you want to use lower, it will work. Yes, true. Because all letters have been converted into lower cases. Here also all letters have been converted into lower cases. This is an example. When you are comparing the two strings, try to have upper or lower, and incoming and out and the given string will be made as is equal. Sometimes it is required. Hope you like it. And in the next session, we will go for some other string functions. Thanks for watching.